Dear students, welcome to the video class. At first I want to introduce with you, I am Gopal Chandra Karmukar, Assistant Teacher, Shohistiti Vidyaniketan, Laugati, Potulakhali. At first accept my cordial love. You know, if you want to make a sentence, you have to use the right form of verb. Verb plays an important role in forming a sentence fruitfully. So, today I want to discuss with you about the right form of verbs. Look at the blackboard. An example, not only one but also two. Rana go to school. Here we can notice it, Rana go. Rana goes to school. Sentence number 2, Masum drink tea. Masum, correct answer যেটা, Masum drinks tea. If you follow the two rules, here yes comes and here s comes. Why? Question is that why? Rule number 1, notice it carefully. In the present indefinite tense, if the subject is third person singular number, you have to use s or es at the end of the verb. In Bengali, I want to mean you, present indefinite tense এ সাবজেক্ট যদি থার্ড পারসন সিঙ্গুলার নাম্বার হয় তাহলে ভার্বের শেষে এস অথবা ইএস যুক্ত করতে হবে। নাও ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, follow the example. Mr. Rashid read newspaper regularly. Here is an underline under the word regularly. Mr. Rashid reads newspaper regularly. Here is a change. Read, here it is read and answer is reads. Rule 2, if there are these words always, daily, regularly, occasionally, every day in the midst of the sentence, it will be formed in the present indefinite tense. In Bangla, I want to say you, যদি কোনো সেন্টেন্সে এই ওয়ার্ডগুলো থাকে, যেমন অলওয়েজ, ডেইলি, রেগুলারলি, অকেশনালি, এভরিডে, তবে ওই সেন্টেন্সটি প্রেজেন্ট ইনডেফিনিট টেন্সে গঠন করতে হবে। স্টুডেন্টস, we are going to discuss with you another rule. Look at the example. I receive your letter already. Here is a mark sign under the already word. The answer is I have received your letter already. If we want to explain the rule, I have to tell you, if there are these words yet, recently, already, lately, just now, in the midst of the sentence, this sentence will be formed in the present perfect tense. Can you understand it? In Bangla, যদি আমরা বাক্যগুলোর মধ্যে রিসেন্টলি, ইয়েট, অলরেডি, লেটলি, জাস্ট নাও এই শব্দগুলো দেখি, তাহলে আমাকে ওই সেন্টেন্সটি প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্সে গঠন করতে হবে। আশা করি বুঝতে পেরেছো। ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, we are going to discuss with another rules. Look at the board. Abid went to Dhaka in search a job. Answer is here. Abid went to Dhaka in searching a job. Rule number 4. Use V1 means present form of verb plus ing after all the prepositions except to. In Bangla, to ব্যতীত সকল প্রিপোজিশনের পরই ভার্বের সাথে আইএনজি যুক্ত হয়। Here is also a note. V1 plus ing will use only after with a view to addict to. Look at the example. The man came to me with a view to help him. The answer is the man came to me with a view to helping him. In Bangla, নোটটা আমি বাংলায় বলছি যে টু ব্যতীত, আমরা আগেই বলেছি টু ব্যতীত সকল প্রিপোজিশনের পরে ভার্বের সাথে আইএনজি হবে। শুধুমাত্র উইথ এ ভিউ টু, অ্যাডিক্ট টু এই শব্দ দুটি থাকলে পরে আমরা তারপরে ভার্বের সাথে আইএনজি যুক্ত করতে পারি। ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, I have already discussed about some rules about the right form of verbs. Now I want to give you some homework. Please write down on your khata. Sentence number 1. The sun rises in the east. Number 2. Every day Meena prepare her lesson. Sentence number 3. The boy make a plan just now. Have you written it? I think you have already done it. Number 4. Recently I visit my uncle's house. I want to repeat again. Repeat. Recently I visit my uncle's house. Number 5. The farmer took a knife to cut the duck's belly.
Oh.
The boy is addict to smoke. Number 7, the moon shine brightly today. Dear students, please know more today. I hope you are all well and you will be all well. Thank you very much. Thanks.